Here's an easy way to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC. The method is very straightforward. But do mind the specifications of your computer too. Do not install it in a low hardware PC, where CPU is less than 4th generation or less than 4 GB RAM. Since Windows 11 has many bloatware, and services that quite often run online only, could impact the performance very dramatically. Let's see how it is done. First, download the Windows 11.iso through Microsoft's official website and mount it. Inside the mounted Windows 11 files and folders, look for Sources folder and open it. Inside the Source folder, right-click anywhere in the empty space while holding down the Shift key. You will find a new option in the menu list. Open PowerShell window here or open Command Prompt here. Click on that option. Terminal will open. Check the last line of the terminal. If it starts with PS, type in CMD to switch to Command Prompt. If it doesn't start with PS, you are already in Command Prompt. Type in the command as it is shown on the screen, and press Enter. Click on Yes on the User Account Control prompt. Windows 11 Setup will now load. Unlike this screen, you will see that it's ready to install Windows Server in your PC, which is totally fine. As a professional, I would suggest you to uncheck the box for I want to help make the installation better, and also select not to download updates while installation by clicking on the Change How Setup Downloads Update and checking Not Right Now. Once done, click Next. In the following windows, click on all the positive options one by one. When you are on this screen, make sure you see both the checks, especially on Keep the Personal Files and Apps. If in case it doesn't pass to Keep Personal Files and Apps and still continue, you will lose all your data and installed programs. If you are fine with that, even it doesn't pass the second check, you can still continue. Instead of installing Windows 11, in your PC you will see installing Windows Server. Once it's done, and back, your computer is up and running on Windows 11, unless you encounter any error. If you do, comment, and I will try my best to help you through it.